This is my sweet little girl. Her name is Zoe Lucille, and she is a 2-year-old Llewellyn setter. Right now, she may seem like the most precious little thing in the world. She's just a sweet little girl. But at 5:30 in the morning, when she wakes me up, when it starts getting light outside, even if I've been asleep, 3 hours, she has to wake me up at 5:30 in the morning by standing by my bed and going swish, 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 swish with her tail on the bamboo floor. Then, if that doesn't work, she likes to stand there and do that little noise like she's about to bark, but she doesn't quite do it. She's like... And then, if that doesn't work, she jumps on me and starts licking inside of my ear. What a sweet little girl. Isn't that right, Zoe? Yeah. But that's the most annoying noise in the world.